In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Fortnite not launching on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to present multiple methods that might help you if you are having trouble launching Fortnite on the PlayStation 5. First, what you may try to do is check for any possible updates. This is by far the simplest way to fix any issues attributed to Fortnite not launching, and all that you have to do is go over to your games list, and in there, select Fortnite through the options button and then check for update. If there is an update pending, you will be able to download the necessary files to play Fortnite. Sometimes, even though you might have automatic updates enabled, maybe it just doesn't get detected, so checking manually can help you if you are having trouble running an outdated version of Fortnite. Now, if the update doesn't go through, the next thing to check is to see if you have enough free space on your console storage. You can go over to the PlayStation 5 home screen, select the settings icon at the top right corner, and go into the storage category where you can see how much of the console storage is free. Make sure that you have enough space to install the necessary files for any possible Fortnite update, and for the most part, these two methods are going to be enough to fix your issues. There isn't much that can go wrong when trying to run Fortnite on the PlayStation 5 as long as you are running the latest version of the game and you make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So you might want to check the network settings inside of your console, but for the most part, having the latest version of the game and a strong internet connection is going to be enough. These are all methods that you can do on your end. However, another thing to check is the Epic Games status, where you can see which servers for Fortnite are down. So if you go over to status.epicgames.com, you can check if any Fortnite servers are down, and if this is the case, you simply have to wait until Epic Games fixes the issue. For the most part, these aren't common occurrences, and like I said, if the servers are down, there is nothing that you can do on your end. You simply have to wait until Epic Games fixes them. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite not launching on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.